Introduction. HTML5 is an essential tool for structuring and presenting content on the web. It provides a set of tags that help organize content. This lesson focuses on the HTML header tag. Understanding the HTML header tag. The HTML header tag is a container for introductory content or navigational links. It can include elements like a website logo, a search form, author name, navigation links. Typically, a header tag is used once within a web page, but can be used multiple times in separate sections. The header element is a block-level element that can be styled using CSS. Coding example of HTML header tag, example code showing the use of the header tag, and how it can be styled using CSS. Common error-prone cases and ways to avoid them. Error: confusing the header tag with heading tags. Solution: use the header tag to contain the heading of your document or section and use heading tags to define the titles or subtitles. Error: using multiple header tags in a page without the need. Solution: use multiple header tags only when your page has different sections, each requiring a different header. Conclusion: understanding the header tag in HTML5 is essential for every web developer. It helps in structuring your website content and improves user experience. Avoid the common mistakes discussed and keep practicing.